Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Unitas Labs token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Unitas Up is a cryptocurrency token designed to function as a stable unit of account within its active ecosystem, aiming to reduce volatility for specific use cases like payments or decentralized finance. DeFi stability focused token up is engineered to maintain a stable value, serving as a reliable medium of exchange within its platform ecosystem utility. The token is integrated into a border protocol, likely facilitating transactions, governance, or accessing services. Managed supply with a total supply capped at 1 billion tokens. Its economic are designed to support its stability goals. Unitas Labs token total supplies around 999.99 million and circulating supplies around 146 million up token. Up token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.